So here we have set of data having work from office. Someday we work from office like Monday, Tuesday, and someday we do work from home. Department, different department names, employee name, name for that employee, site, new or old site, and sales for that site. So we want to filter as per the days. If I filter as per the days, we will be getting alphabetical order. We will be getting Friday first. F comes first, okay? But we want to filter as per the weekdays. Like I want to filter as per the Monday first, then Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. For that, you will click on the Home tab and you will go to Sort, Filter, Sort, Filter. Select the column which you want to filter. Work from office, WFO, cell value. We need to filter this as per the custom list. So when we click under custom list, you get the inbuilt custom list which we have in Excel, like for weekdays and month. So custom list which we will be going for is for complete Sunday, complete Monday, complete name, okay? Not for SUMMON. Why? Because we have data as complete weekdays name. So let's select this Sunday, Monday with complete name, okay? And click on OK. This custom list is selected and do OK. So this will filter data as per the weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, IT teams come, Wednesday, data team come, Thursday, marketing, and Friday, calling team. Now I'm just doing undo so that I will show you second filter using data with department wise. Here we have certain department data like IT, data, calling, and marketing. We want to filter as per the list, and this list will be common for every team. Then, if we create a custom list in this, if I go here, same, sort, filter, sort, department, cell value should be as per the custom list. Here you can create your own list. You can add that list and list will be added and you can work with this data. But that list will be visible only for this sheet. It will be working only in this sheet. What if I want to use this list everywhere in other sheet too, like everywhere in the workbook? For that, you will be creating a list which will be inbuilt in the Excel. For that, you will click under File option, go to File tab or File menu, Option. You will select the File, Option, Advance, go to the last. From this page, you will go to the end and go for the option as Edit Custom List. So where you will be going, I will just show it once again. File, Options, Advance, go to the bottom of this page, Advance, okay, and go select the option called as Edit Custom List. Here you will be getting all the lists which are there in your Excel. If you want to create any new list, you can type that list name like IT, data, calling, marketing with commas, and you can add that list. List will add it here. And if you want to select the list from your sheet, then you will click here, go to that sheet where that data is, click again and import. This list is added. You can see this list is added here too and OK. Now if I write here anywhere, click on OK. If I write here data, okay, and do control and click and drag down your mouse, you will get the entire list and list keeps on continuing. So this list you can use everywhere. Now to use this list with your sort and advanced custom sort, you will click under data, sort filter, custom filter, and you will select the option called as sort by department cell value using custom list. And this time custom list is automatically added to this data, and we will select the custom list and OK, and data is filtered as per the department wise. Thank you for watching.